Hey everyone, today's video is going to be all about whitetail deer's nutrition during droughts. A little introduction is droughts impact all wildlife and their surroundings. Whitetail deer are primarily browsing animals. Their diets contain a brush, forbs, some hard and soft fruits, and small amounts of grass. In Florida, specifically the Tampa Bay area, the white-tailed deer have to deal with weather impacts like droughts and the destruction of their homes where they forage for food due to all the ongoing building that is taking place. The question is, how do they adapt and survive with all the changes that occur? So I included over here just a picture of cabbage and lettuce, and then a picture of one of their favorite flowers they like to feed on. In our area, rainy season is from the month of June through the month of September. During rainy season, the deer will consume primarily forbs and new growth browse because both are loaded with protein. Dry season starts late October and goes until the spring. When it is dry season, those sources are limited, which forces the deer to consume older, less nutritious stems and leaves. So I wanted to include a chart over here to show the average monthly precipitation in Tampa, Florida. As you can see, in June, July, August being the most, and September, those are the highest months, the months that we get the most rain. And then you can see a huge decrease after September and October, and that is when the drought season starts. And then here is just a picture of Florida, and it is all in yellow, and the darker the yellow, the higher the drought, or the higher the weather gets, where the droughts are the worst. What happens when they consume less nutritious food or cannot meet their dietary requirements? The answer is simple. They suffer. The suffering results in lower body weights, poor body functions, lower immune systems, and suboptimal antler growth. Malnourished deer will do what they need to do in order to try to survive, bottom line. Bucks will steal minerals and vitamins from antler growth to supply critical areas. Does will go as far as aborting their fetuses during pregnancy and abandoning their fawns during nursing stages. And over here, I included some pictures of a doe feeding on a dead animal on the side of the road. This is not a normal thing. This is something that deer will do if they have no other choice. So this is one of the examples of them doing something they need to do in order to survive and to try to give their body what they feel is missing as far as nutrition. Deer are losing their homes and places to forage for food. Tampa Bay has been growing more and more every year, and what I mean by that is our population is getting larger and we are having to accommodate for that population. All the forest and empty land is getting developed and turned into housing communities and large stores. By doing so, we are taking away the deer's homes and places for them to look for their food. So I included here a picture of a community that's going to be going in the Tampa Bay area. Before all of this will be there, this is just one big empty forest full of trees and lakes, and which is home to thousands of different animals, including deer, and we're taking their home away to build that. What can the community do to help? Every animal plays an important role in our ecosystem. As herbivores, deer play a crucial role in the ecosystem, providing food for large predators. They should be important to us humans because they are considered a keystone species. This means they directly impact the lives of other plants and animals. At the correct population, white-tailed deer increase biodiversity and encourage new plant growth. Their feces add to the soil, encouraging plants to grow and thrive. We can help deer thrive by planting things in our yard that deer can eat throughout the year, giving them a variety of options during drought and rainy season. Another huge thing in our area is to promote keeping more land for the animals instead of taking all the land and developing it. Conclusion. Deer are struggling to thrive in the Tampa Bay area. With our crazy weather going from rainy months to crazy droughts where we see zero rain for a while, the deer still need to find the right food that will give them enough nutrients to survive. That never goes away. So after watching this presentation, you should be able to answer the questions on what kind of plants can be planted to help deer thrive, and what are deer struggling? Why are deer struggling in the Tampa Bay area? Thank you.